Hi, I'm Dan Fernback with MarineMax Huntington, New York, staying here on the 23 SPX by Sea Ray. As you'll notice, you have the gray sea deck and also a nice transom walkway and sun pad. As you enter the boat, you're going to see the L-shaped wraparound seating with removable table. There's also a second table that can go up at the bow as well. You're going to have a cooler underneath, plenty of storage, two captain's chairs that both swivel, so no one's left out of the entertainment. Completely redesigned helm, fusion stereo, and a flush-mounted Simrad screen. This boat also comes with a head. And then forward, you're going to have two forward-facing loungers and opposing seating. For more information on this boat or any other boat at MarineMax, my name is Daniel Fernback, 908-330-2727.